Edge computing has really been born out from the fact that data's been pushed out to the cloud in recent years, and perhaps that's really been found to be an inefficient way of moving data around. And probably the best way to deal with that is to process data at the edge, where it's close to the source of the data itself.
Edge computing is important, particularly in the world of IoT and digitalisation. You reduce the latency and you can provide all the decision making and thought processing directly at the edge, so you don't need to move all the data up into the data centre and into some of the sort of more traditional method of managing that data.
Edge computing can take different guises. Different applications can be doing a diverse range of things. Analytical tools, etc. could sit at the edge.
Stratus is a company that specialises in edge computing technology for protecting and virtualising software assets. We offer server technology that is typically deployed into the industrial environment for on-premise computing.
The Stratus servers are a good fit for Mitsubishi electric applications, as they offer improved system reliability as well as built-in security that is critical to many of our SCADA applications.
Maps is a SCADA platform, but it's much more than a SCADA platform. It gives us the information portal to offer many other services in the software layer. It gives us the ability to push data to web applications, to databases, and to many other areas that information is needed nowadays.
With Mitsubishi Electric, what we're showing is integration of their Maps software suite onto our edge computing platform. In the situation with Maps, it's deployed as a virtual machine on the customer site. That sits on a virtualization platform and an availability platform, so it makes sure that in the event of hardware failures, that Maps software continues to run and provide ROI to the customer. The unique thing we can provide to Mitsubishi Electric and their customers is that we can actually host that software now on site and provide on-premise computing that may sit on the side of the machine and provide uninterrupted monitoring and diagnostics of any application that the map software is looking at.
The value of the combined solution between Mitsubishi Electric and Stratus is primarily how easy it is to set up, which expedites system configuration. There is also considerable value in the autonomous nature of the diagnostics of the Stratus servers, which make it easier to find faults and reduces system downtime.
Stratus Technologies is an eFactory partner largely because we see with smart factories the need to have software applications running on site and providing on-premise computing.
The eFactory Alliance is a global initiative. We're using eFactory partners to fill in the gaps. Combined with our products, we can offer a stronger, more powerful solution to meet our customers' needs.
With digitalisation, customers are increasingly going to gather more and more data and produce more data from their industrial assets. Working with Mitsubishi Electric and Stratus Technologies together, we can deploy edge computing solutions to provide new forms of value for customers.